with my channel Solving Questions with Gauri Ma'am. Here we solve questions from various MSc entrance examinations. The subject is life science. In this channel, I always give explanation for all the options which are present in a question. So let's have a question for today's video. The question is from TIFR exam, paper 2018. Which of the following mRNA molecules would form the most stable stem loop structure? The different combinations of these nucleotides are given. 5' and 3' is given everywhere, and it is asked that which sequence would form a stem loop structure. So let's see what is this stem loop structure and what is the answer for this question. The question is related to the transcription termination in prokaryotes. Okay, so in prokaryotes, the transcription termination can be of two types. It may be an intrinsic termination or it may be a row dependent termination. When row dependent termination is there, the row factor comes, it slides along the DNA RNA hybrid and it dissociates that hybrid and the transcription stops. But when it is a row independent or it is called as an intrinsic termination, the mRNA which is formed, that forms the hairpin loop. Okay, the complementary base pairs are there on the mRNA and which forms the hairpin loop which leads to the termination of that transcription. This palindromic sequence which is present on mRNA, it may have a 7 to 20 base pairs and it has a complementarity due to which it can form a hairpin or we can say a stem loop structure. Stem loop structures in mRNA are GC rich regions and that are followed with a uracil. Okay, and when we say complementarity, the G combines with a C and U combines with a when there is a RNA. So when we look at the option B, you can come to know that these two G can have a binding with these two C. This middle G will bind to C here and these two U can combine with A. And hence the stem loop structure can be formed. In option B, the stem loop structure we can draw like this: 5', then this G, C, U, then there is some sequence of nucleotides would be there. Then this A, C will combine with G and C. This will come to 3'. So this option B only can be forming a stem loop structure. So the answer for this question becomes a option B. B is the correct answer for this question. Now time to have a question for my next video. Question is quite bigger. Let's see. Rank the following ideas or discoveries from oldest to most recent. DNA is the molecule responsible for heredity. The second one is living things best suited to their environment are more likely to survive, reproduce and pass their characteristics to future generations. Third is the molecular structure of DNA corresponds to double helix. And the fourth one is different pairs of alleles are passed on to the offspring independently of each other. So we have to arrange these four discoveries from oldest to the most recent. The question is from TIFR exam from the paper 2018. So we'll solve this question in my next video. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and also to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.